Welcome to Supeng Pinoy Tambayan sa JB.
Halo-halo namin dito. May kalamansi. Ito naman yung akin. Huwag kasali ka. Kasi mo pati sali na. Same name?
Yeah. Cannot. Because this one not easy to run, no? How much only? And then depend on the tourists. That's why sometimes we all are simple better.
Manonood kami ng sine, guys. Ayan, oh. Laki ng popcorn.
What you want, sweet, salted, or mixed?
Mix, please. Thank you. Zero.
Zero.
Okay. Yan ang amin. Thank you. Very naughty ayun. Kakain tayo, guys. May. Manonood kami ng sine. Ayan na. Number 4 daw. Number 4. Asan na number 4? Binagumagan lang ko pa. Guys, anong oras na? 12 midnight. Asa daan pa kami, guys. Asa daan pa kami, guys. Ayan. Naglakwat siya. Kung saan-saan napupunta. Ayan, no? Nanood kami ng sine. Tapos mag-grocery pa kami. Nag-NTUC pa kami, guys. Yes. Children's school. Coming over there. What the... Ano? Lagi? Okay. Alright, tatong water. Ano to buy for me? Coconut water. 2. Yeah. And the yellows is triple. Oh, go to the cheese. You want to buy something here? Yes, I have to finish it. Oh yeah. Bibili kaming manok. May manok. Where's the manok? Kampong ah. Ano? Wala man kampong. Ayoko. Gusto ko yung kampong chicken. Wala. Or this one, no? This one, oh. Can you get for me this one? More fresh. Okay po, guys. Ayan. Sa lakoning. Do you want sa lakoning? If you don't eat, don't buy. Oh. Huh? The one. Yeah, this one also. Okay. Sorry lang. Cheese. Okay. Ah? Talo ada? $2. Bili kami ng chicken. $2. Just put it together. This one is not kampong. Okay. Okay, meron pa ako yan. Yeah. Bili ka na. Ganyan.
Yes.
Yan ang pamili namin. Okay, tapos na kami nag-market. Ini. Push a bag. May McDonald's kami dyan. Uwi na kami guys. Bye! Hanggang sa muli. Salamat! Jabi niya. Tumatawid kami guys. Alauna na guys. Kakain na naman siya. 1 AM. Gutom ka boy. Gutom ka Parch. Bro, gutom ka. Dami mong pangalan ah. Ayan, kakain daw siya guys. Manood kami ah. Oh. Tingnan natin tong crispy buttermilk chicken. Grabe niya. Ayan oh. Oh, mukha masarap. Balat pa lang. Grabe niya. Natin, balibalik na rin. Grabe niya. Oh, baliktad na. Ay, kanina. Kain muna ako guys.
Like beef,
Oh, chicken. Ito yung buttermilk chicken nila. May ano siya. May pineapple. Tapos chicken na may binabad sa buttermilk. At saka cheese. Yan. Big milk cheese. Tignan natin kung masarap siya. Yan. May ano. Yan yung buttermilk chicken nila. Ayan siya guys. Oh. Mas masarap siya. May bago na akong paborito. Buttermilk chicken. Yan.